Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps, funding an account through Tether TRC20 together, step by step. Once we enter the trading cabin at MultiBank Broker, we select the deposit option from the funds section and complete the details for funding the account through Tether TRC20. In this section, select crypto payment and choose the Tether TRC20 network. Enter the desired amount, noting the minimum deposit at MultiBank Group is $200. Click on the fund option to display a QRcode for scanning with your mobile wallet camera. Alternatively, copy the address to paste into your wallet. We click on the fund option, and at this point, a QR code will be displayed for you to scan using the camera of your mobile wallet. Alternatively, you can copy the address you see and paste it into your wallet. After completing the details related to your electronic wallet, we click on Confirm Transaction. Or you can copy the address you see and paste it into your wallet. After completing the details related to your electronic wallet, we click on Confirm Transaction. Pay attention to the QR code that is shown to you. It's for one-time use only, and you won't be able to use this QR code for future deposits. After completing the details related to your electronic wallet, we click on Confirm Transaction, and once your account funding is completed, you will receive an email from the broker. As you can see, your account has been successfully funded, and the amount has been transferred from your wallet to your trading account at MultiBank Broker. In future videos, we will go through the process of withdrawing from the account at MultiBank Broker step by step. Wishing you success and profitability.